Hello students. In this session, we'll discuss about nomenclature of bifunctional compounds. Compounds which contain two functional groups. Already we have studied what are functional groups. Functional groups are atoms or group of atoms which determines the property of organic compound. If two functional groups are present, then how to name these compounds? ಎರಡೆರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಸರಿಸಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. If there are two functional groups in a given compound, a principal functional group is selected based on the priority list. ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If there are two functional groups, according to this priority list, only one is considered as principal functional group and other functional groups are considered as substituent groups. First comes carboxylic acid, then esters, acid chlorides, amides, nitriles, aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, amines, double bond, triple bond, ethers and other substituents. For example, if carboxylic acid and alcohols are present in the same molecule, ಈ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ substituent group or even prefix, it is taken as hydroxy in such cases. If carboxylic acid and alcohols are present, consider that compound as acid itself, and substituent alcohol group OH group is considered as hydroxy group but not functional group. Okay, if there are two functional groups are present in a given compound, you have to select a principal functional group based on this priority list. While naming the compound, the principal functional group is designated as secondary suffix because we are considering functional group as secondary suffix only. Here, whenever the bifunctional groups are present, ಎರಡೆರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾಮಿನ್ಕ್ಲೇಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ the organic compounds, and all other groups are called secondary functional group. Okay, all other groups are called secondary functional groups and are treated as substituents or substituent groups. Now let us see secondary groups or prefix or names of secondary groups which are prefixed. How to name OH group, CN group, CHO group, SH, COH, NH2 and C double bond O. Now let us see the prefixes for such type of groups. If OH group is present, these are treated as hydroxy group, prefix as hydroxy. Cn, cyano. If cyan is there, then if it is functional group, it is treated as nitrile. If OH is there, it is OL. So in this case, Cn is treated as cyano, prefix cyano. CHO, here you are going to, if it is functional group, you are going to name it as Al, methanol. Okay, if it is prefixed, then it is treated as formyl group or oxo. SH, mercapto, COH, carboxy, NH2, amino, C double bond O, keto group or oxo group. In this way, we have to name the names of name the prefixes or secondary functional groups which have as prefixes. Now let us see next point. While numbering the parent chain, whenever you are naming the bifunctional group, then when we are numbering the parent chain, the principal functional group, it should get lowest number, least locant, lowest number, ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಎರಡೆರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಚೈನನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Compounds containing both double and triple bond in the main chain are named as alkenyls. ಮೇನ್ ಚೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಕಿನೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಕಿನೈಲ್ಸ್ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಮಿನ್ಕ್ಲೇಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. While naming, we will come to know, you have to practice all these things. Then only you can write name of the compound without any difficulty. The position of double bond is inserted before alkane and that of triple bond before YNE. That means whenever you are mentioning a presence of double bond, you have to write down the number or locant before that particular alkane. Suppose this is propane, so 3 propane, like that. Okay, for triple bond also you have to first give the locant number, then write down YNE. Now we'll see some of the examples which contains bifunctional groups. ಎರಡೆರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಕಂಪೌಂಡನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾಮಿನ್ಕ್ಲೇಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Now let us name these two compounds which contains two functional groups. Okay, yes, here CHO comes first, OH comes next in the priority list. Priority list ಅನ್ನು ಆಗಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ ಪ್ರಕಾರ CHO ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ, OH ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 3 and 4. This is treated as prefix, so this OH group is treated as, you have to name this as hydroxy. So first prefix 2-hydroxy, 2-hydroxy, this is your prefix. Root word 1 2 3 4, bute or butane. Second single bond is there, so butane, better don't write E. Then if CHO group is there, you have to name this one as Al. Terminal E is replaced by Al. So this is name of the compound. 2-hydroxy is the prefix. Bute, root word. Ane, primary suffix. Al, secondary suffix. In this way you have to name the compound. Next compound, here CHO is functional group, so write number here 1 2 3 4 and 5. First write down prefixes. Here chloro and methyl group is there. In the alphabetical order, C comes first, so 2 functional groups are there. 2 chloro, 3 chloro. So how to write the name? 2, 3 chloro, chloro 2 times, dichloro. This prefix is over, then comes methyl. 4 methyl, 4 methyl. This is about prefix. Root word 1 2 3 4 5, pent. Single bond is there, pentane. So then functional group is, secondary functional group is Al. So terminal E ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, E ತೆಗೆದು ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? Al. This is secondary functional group. This is name of the compound. 2,3-dichloro 4-methyl, 2,3 dichloro 4-methyl, this is prefix. Pent, root word. Ane, primary suffix. Al, secondary suffix. Now let us see another example. CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO. In this compound we are having aldehyde functional group as well as double bond. So this is 2-butenol. Try to solve this at home. 2-butenol. Next compound CH3 CHOH CH2 COOH. Here we are having COH as well as OH functional group, but here OH is treated as prefix. Okay, in the previous case here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So 4 carbon atoms are there, but double bond is there, ene, then functional group CHO is there, Al. So 2-butenol. Here you have to name this compound. First number this compound: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3-hydroxy. 3-hydroxy. Then first carbon atom contains OIC acid. So 1-butanoic acid. 1-butanoic acid. This is name of this particular compound. In this compound we are having both keto group as well as aldehyde group, but aldehyde group is primary functional group. So to number the carbon chain, and CHOs, you have to take CHO as secondary suffix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is treated as prefix. So 3, write down 3-oxo 1-pentanol or oxopentanol, because if a CHO group is present on the first carbon atom, then only it is treated as aldehyde functional group. 3-oxo pentanol, NaL. Next, here we are having double bond as well as OH group. So here OH group is treated as principal functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how to name this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pentane, 5 groups are there. PEN, TN, pentan. Second carbon atom gets OL group. 2 OL. 4 pentan, 2 O. This is name of this particular compound. Now let us see 2-3 examples. Now let us see name of these two compounds. Here the CH2OH, OH is functional group, OH comes first. So carbon atom number 1, 2, 3 and 4. First prefix, only one prefix is there, 4-methyl. 4-methyl, CH3 is methyl group. Then second carbon atom contains double bond. So 4 carbon atoms are there, or we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methyl, not 4-methyl, this is, sorry, 3-methyl. Not 4, 3-methyl, 2-butene, 1-ol. 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl, right? 2 butene 1-ol, 3-methyl 2-butene 1-ol. This is name of this compound. If CH3 is here, then it would be 4-methyl. Next, this compound 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atoms are there. So number the carbon chain from the sides where functional group gets minimum number. CO is functional group because this comes first. If you number from this side 1 2 3 4, fourth carbon atom gets the functional group gets fourth number, from here third number. So this is the right way of numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. They name this compound 1 2 3 4 5 hydroxy 5 hydroxy 3 hexanone. Hex is the root word. An contains carbon contains single word. ON stands for the secondary functional group. 5 hydroxy is prefix. 3 on, the functional group is present on third carbon atom. Here you have to put a hyphen dash. Hex is root word. An is primary suffix. On is secondary suffix. 5 hydroxy 3 hexanone. 5 hydroxy 3 hexanone. Now let us name this compound. Here double bond is present, triple bond is present. Double bond comes first, then comes triple bond. So give number to the double bond, minimum number to the double bond. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is 1. How many carbon atoms are there? 5. So 1 pent. The first carbon contains ene, so pentene. E is, don't write E, then 4YNE. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಗೆ YN ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 pentene 4 ine YNE. Now here they give number to the multiple bond, the carbon containing multiple bond. 1 2 3 4 5. If multiple bonds are there, if you number from here, the multiple bond gets second number. If number from this side, it gets minimum one number. So in this case, the main carbon chain is numbered from the end closer to the multiple bond. Even though second bond comes first, then triple bond, but whenever you are numbering, the multiple bond should get minimum number. If you number from this side, it gets first number, carbon atom number 1. From here, it is second and fourth. So better number from this side, right to left. So third carbon atom contains, because double bond comes first, 3 pentene 3 pentene, don't write E, 1 YNE. First carbon atom contains YNE. Then here two functional groups are there. This is carboxylic acid functional group, this is aldehydic. Here aldehydic functional group is secondary functional group, so it is treated as formyl. 1 2 3 4. So this is 3-formyl 3-formyl. 4 carbon atoms are there. Butanoic acid. 3-formyl butanoic acid. 3-formyl butanoic acid. In this way, name the bifunctional, the compound containing bifunctional groups. Now let us discuss nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds. Substituted benzene means some group atom or group of atoms are attached to benzene ring. ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Okay. For IUPAC nomenclature, the substituted benzene compounds, the substituent is placed as prefix to the word benzene. Okay, like this. Here, this is substituent group. This CH3 is methyl group. Okay, before benzene, you have to write this methyl. So, this is methyl benzene. Methyl benzene. Its common name is toluene. Toluene is also considered as IUPAC name. ಓಕೆ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. IUPAC ಅವರು ಟಾಲಿನ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟಾಲಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಬೆನ್ಸೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಿಥಾಕ್ಸಿ ಬೆನ್ಸೀನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆನ್ಸೀನ್. OCH3 is methoxy group. OCH3 is methoxy group, and this is named as methoxy benzene. IUPAC name is methoxy benzene, and its common name is anisole. Next is aminobenzene. NH2. Aminobenzene. Aminobenzene. Common name is aniline. Similarly, another example, this is nitro group. So, nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Similarly, one more example, bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. In this way, if any substituent groups are present, first write down that substituent group followed by the word benzene. Methyl benzene, methoxybenzene, aminobenzene, nitrobenzene, bromobenzene, like that. If benzene ring is disubstituted, means if here only one substitution is there, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್, ಎರಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೈಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್. ಅವನ್ನ ಡೈಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ring is disubstituted, the position of substituents is defined by numbering the carbon atoms of the ring such that the substituents are located at the lowest possible number, like this. Suppose this is the compound. Here there is Br, here there is Br. First you have to number this benzene ring such that they get minimum number. If you number from this side 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. ನಂಬರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is 1, 6. That is wrong. You have to treat it as 1, 2. What is name of this compound then? 1, 2. Similar groups are there. Di. What is name of that group? Bromo. 1, 2 dibromobenzene. 1, 2 dibromobenzene. Similarly, you can write another example. Same, but by changing the position. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್. Yes. Now number this chain. 1, 2, 3. Third position, first and third position contains Br. So this is 1, 3. 1, 3 dibromobenzene. 1, 3 dibromobenzene. Next, I will change again. I will change the position of Br atoms. Now I will write Br here and another Br here. Now I will number the carbon chain or benzene thing 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is symmetrical molecule. If you number from this side also, it gets number 4. So it is 1, 4 dibromobenzene. In the common naming system, ಓಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಆರ್ಥೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೆಟಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬ್ರೋಮೋ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರೈವಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ದಿಸ್ 1 and 2 positions are treated as ortho position, 1 and 3 meta, and 1 and 4 are para position. So this is 1, 2 dibromobenzene or ortho dibromobenzene, meta dibromobenzene, para dibromobenzene. Okay, it is also treated as ortho dibromobenzene, meta dibromobenzene, or meta can be written as M also, ortho can be written as O, M dibromobenzene. This is para dibromobenzene.